Paul Rodgers is an English singer, songwriter and multi-instrumentalist. In the 1960s and 1970s, he was vocalist of Free and Bad Company. After stints in two lesser-known bands in the 1980s and early 1990s, The Firm and The Law, he became a solo artist. He has more recently toured and recorded with Queen. A poll in Rolling Stone magazine ranked him number 55 on its list of the 100 greatest singers of all time. In 2011, Rodgers received the British Academy's Ivor Novello Award for outstanding contribution to British music. Rodgers has been cited as a significant influence on a number of notable rock singers. In 1991, John Mellencamp called Rodgers the best rock singer ever. Freddie Mercury in particular liked Rodgers and his aggressive style. Paul Bernard Rodgers was born in Middlesbrough, England. He played bass for a band named the Roadrunners. Colin Bradley originally had the lead vocal slot but convinced Rodgers to sing and front the band as he was primarily interested in playing rhythm guitar, and his oldest brother Joe supported the idea. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.